Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 to the splitting day on the old Doug Fir from Tassie. I want to thank everybody that got footage of that of Johnny and I working on that tree together. That was an impressive day. That's where we're at. We're still at that tree. But I wanted to split it up. I was going to do all 4 axes in one video, but then I thought, now I'll just do 2 per video. So this is the Dandenong that Johnny Arnett and Ozdat got me. And it's on a Hick Stick from Hicks Hickory. It's got a little bit different curve to it than some axes. So a little bit higher of a chopping block seems to work pretty good with this axe. Okay. The other one that we've got is a council tool. Old Jersey, 3.5 pound velvet cut on a 30C Whiskey River 30-inch 30C handle. Oh yeah, it's a dandy. Yeah. I can't wait for cutting season. Fall to come back and rain. Let's go with this Dandenong. Let's sing the Dandenong song. That's a dandy little axe right there. Timber Pilot, Casterman, Timber Pilot. Oh yeah. These two are super comparable. It's kind of the same style of a handle. Johnny did a little bit different than the Hick Stick. Came a little bit further back with the curve here than the Hick Stick is, the original Hick Stick. We're still waiting for the Hick Stick 2.0, Josh, and the Chick Stick from Megan. I can't wait till those show up. I'm excited. So yeah, let's try this Dandenong and see what we can do, what kind of damage we can do with it today. Because it's splitter right into a knot. We're going. Oh yeah, that's nice. Real nice. The curve in the back of that handle, it's super comfortable, but it takes a little bit different swing than, like, say, the 30C. Because if you swing normal like that, it just hits the tip of the axe, the toe, right here, right? So you have to swing a little bit flatter with this in order to get full use of the bit. But it'll stick a piece of wood to move it around. Here, let's see. Watch how much flatter I have to be. I don't have to be, but in order to get the use out of the bit. And it's where I say that you could use a little bit taller. I could use a little bit taller. See how that's coming down right there? Right? Instead, to swing through it, I gotta hit it a little bit flatter. So I got to change my approach so I don't just keep hitting the tip of that and wearing it out, right? And this is about a 32, 31, 32. Super nice handle, super nice hickory. It's just a splitter. All the way around splitter. What a beautiful axe. Beautiful axe. It's what it says it is. It's a Dandenong. I love it. Such nice axes. Let's swing this. Little 3.5-pound velvet cut on a 30-inch 30C from Whiskey River. Whiskey River, beautiful handles. Beautiful handles. Let's give it a shot. A little bit lighter axe. A little bit more on the nimble side. But it still hits hard. That handle, unbelievable. I don't know what it is about this axe. This right here is one of my favorite axes because it is so light and it is so nimble. And for this wood, see that? Just unbelievable. Split. 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 Flick. Nice. Split. Picks up a piece of wood nice. it would have split that. It tried to split that anyway. It's just such a nice tool. Split. Split. Johnny Arnett and I were talking about this the other day. Wondering why no one makes this anymore. As much wood splitting that goes on nowadays, right now, I don't understand it. A wicked, wicked little tool. Let's try to get a little different angle here. Not. See that? One more. Loving how that bark's falling off there. I want to thank everybody that was here, that hung out longer. Everybody that came to TazMan-Palooza, I want to thank you all very much. And everybody that stayed and had a part in cutting this up. I truly appreciate it. JK from JK Saw Shop. Go check out JK from JK Saw Shop. Brennan from Goobs Outdoor Adventures. Emily for hanging out. Kim Wilson, Healed Heart. Mama Taz. Lloyd, the Gnome Wood Splitter, or Old Blue, or both. Chippy, thanks for all the great footage from that whole weekend, buddy. It was awesome. And I can't wait for everybody to come back to TazMan-Palooza 2024. A lot of different saws. This one will stick in a tougher piece of wood. Not. Beautiful, beautiful little axe. All of them. I don't know. It's definitely not a comparison video. It's just an axe video, right? Just an axe video. Different styles of axe on different styles of handles can make a difference. The handle plays a big part in an axe, in my opinion. It's just my opinion, right? But a handle can turn turn an average head into that. It's a lot that has to do with the handle. The design of it, where it is, as opposed to head weight. Right? And how the head lays. Does it want to go like this? No, it doesn't. Not this one. It's beautiful. All right, thanks everybody. Thanks for joining me for some wood splitting. Getting out, getting some exercise. Get the blood flowing, get some oxygen while the air is still clear. It's a perfect day for it. All right, love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling.